How to add Malwarebytes to Chrome? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Malwarebytes to Chrome, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So Malwarebytes browser guard crashes on wanted and unsafe content, giving you a safer and faster browsing experience. Not only that, it is the world's first browser extension that can identify and stop tech support scams. So if you want to get it, you must to write Malwarebytes extension. And this is the first link that we are going in. And that's it. There you have the option to add to Chrome the Malwarebytes browser guard. I'm gonna add it. Add extension now. And automatically Malwarebytes browser has been added to your Chrome. Okay. To use this extension, you're almost done. You must to keep Malwarebytes browser guard pinned to your address bar. So I must to make click on this puzzle icon and find Malwarebytes browser and pin it. That's the first step. And now that I have this icon always pinned here, I must to click the Malwarebytes icon to turn the protection on or off at any time. So if I click on it, and if I click on Let's Go, now this is activated, okay? And done. Get ready for a safer, faster browsing experience. So this is how to add Malwarebytes to Chrome. Thanks for watching.